What's up guys, Tanner over at Eibach. We're here at Overland Expo West. But first, huge shout out to everybody that attended our Cars and Coffee event last weekend. We saw a massive turnout, gave away a bunch of coffee and donuts, and saw some really awesome cars. So thank you so much. Keep an eye out for the next one. We'll post it as soon as we have it set up. All right, let's get into the expo. All right, for you Grenadier owners, you already have Eibach springs on your OE setup. Most of you already know that we offer lift springs to upgrade that. However, pretty soon we're coming out with our Stage 1 kit. Will be all 4 lift springs plus all 4 shocks to give you the perfect setup for on and off-road capability. Our booth truck this year is getting a ton of attention. It's a 2024 GMC Canyon Elevation equipped with our brand new Eibach Stage 2R system. This kit includes front ride height adjustable, fully threaded coilovers up front, paired up with our really nice rear reservoir shocks. We also tossed in our 1-inch lift block to accommodate for some of the extra gear in the back. Now, if you guys are interested in more of an in-depth build tour on everything else that's installed on this truck, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we'll be dropping that video shortly. This year we went all in by giving away 2 $1,500 gift cards and that really nice Vanquish RC truck that you were seeing in other videos. And we've been coming to Expo West for the last several years, and every time we show up, we have such a fantastic time. I personally love all the high caliber builds that are all throughout the property. I love chatting with all the attendees, and I just love being in Flagstaff. So obviously we'll be here next year. If you guys stop by the booth this year, thank you so much, and we'll see you at the next one.